Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to correctly install a custom-made roller blind. These are the things that you will need. 1. Your printed original order sheet. 2. Pencil or pen. 3. Phillips head screwdriver or cordless drill. 4. 3mm drill bit. 5. Small steps or ladder depending on how high the window is. Okay, now that you have received delivery of your custom-made roller blinds, unpack and lay out all the parts supplied. For each blind you should receive a set of brackets. One is a control end bracket, let's call it the one with the cross in it. And the other is the pin end bracket, let's call this one the one with the hole in the middle of it. Also you will receive a child safety chain holder device, which is an Australian legal requirement and must be fitted. Also you will find all screws required to install fittings into a timber frame. Okay, let's start. Have your original order sheet in front of you as a reference as to what you have ordered for each window. If you have ordered a recess mounted blind, the brackets will be fitted to the inside of the window frame. Refer to your order sheet and see which side you have ordered the chain control. Once you know which side the chain end is to be fitted, install the control end or cross bracket to the front of the recess. Hold the bracket into position and with a pencil mark 2 holes. Once you have marked the holes, using the 3mm drill bit, pre-drill the holes. Then using the screws provided, screw in the bracket. Repeat the same method to the other side using the pin end bracket, the one with the hole in the middle. Okay, now, if you have ordered a face-mounted blind, the brackets will be fitted to the face of the window frame or architrave. Refer to your order sheet and see which side you have ordered the chain. Once you know which side the chain end is to be fitted, install the control end or the cross bracket to the top of the window frame or architrave. Hold the bracket into position and with a pencil mark 2 holes. Once you have marked the holes using the 3mm drill bit, pre-drill the holes. Then using the screws provided, screw in the bracket. Repeat the same method to the other side using the pin end bracket, the one with the hole in the middle. Once the brackets have been fitted, pick up the blind and hold it with the fabric rolling from the back of the tube. This is a normal roll blind, and if you have ordered a front roll blind, the fabric will be rolling from the front of the tube. Holding the blinds with 2 hands, insert the pin end into the bracket. You will notice the pin end is spring loaded. This will enable you to push back on it, and is required so to enable you to hook the control end into position. You will notice the control end has a hook in the middle and 2 locator lugs on each side of the hook. Line up the hook and lugs with the same position on the bracket. Once they are lined up, let the spring push back away from the pin end and locate itself. Pull slightly down to engage the hook into the bracket. Remember, this hook must always be facing in a down position, whether you're fitting to a recess mount or face mount. If you need to remove the blind, just simply reverse the procedure. Using two hands, push up on the control end and disengage the hook from the bracket while pushing back into the spring-loaded pin end, and the blind will be free from the brackets. Once the blind is fitted into position, test the blind by rolling it up and down. All our blinds are tested in the factory, so the blind should operate correctly. The only thing you need to do now is fit the child safety device. Clip the device onto the chain with the flat side facing the surface you will be screwing into. Remember not to pull down too firmly, as this will make the blind stiff to operate. Once you have the device into position, use the screw provided, simply screw it in.
You have now successfully installed your blinds just like a professional. As easy as 1, 2, 3, and all done right here, simply online. This is Mario D'Angelo saying ciao for now.